Yo, what is up, guys? We are starting a development session today, so get ready to tune in for one of our. I don't even know how long this is going to be. I don't know how long I plan on working. Um, this is the same client, the Apex Holdings Online. So let's get right into it. I guess you guys have seen these videos before. You're pretty used to what I do, right? This is just system development using AI software. I use two AIs. I use Cursor and I use ChatGPT at the same time to get different things done. I code in PHP mostly, right? And I do JavaScript, cascading style sheets, CSS. Um, and don't even remember. Oh yeah, some SQL, right? Because we do database access, and we build web programs. Use a couple APIs, I suppose, which aren't a big deal using AI. It's just like a couple keys and this and that. And we don't even deal with APIs, honestly. All we really do is just code in Cursor and do a bunch of what I said, right? Some HTML, right? We do a lot of HTML. So, without further ado, let's get into, I think this is our, maybe our sixth, I don't know, maybe our fifth development session we're posting online. Who knows? I haven't been counting, right? So, it should be fun. Alright. I'm just going to change my scene here. How does this work? Alright. Alright. And we're going to grab some coffee. I'll be right back with you. Alright, you guys, so, do have my bowl of popcorn ready for the development session. And we're going to throw all sorts of good spices in there. We are using the ambient microphone for the recording, right? So I don't have a headset on. I'm just going to use the microphone from the Kyo Pro Ultra, which is an amazing, 4K mic, and uses AI, by the way. And we have our little tray here. This is how I like to get things done, right? Just came back from the kitchen, so I have my coffee ready, and don't worry, I won't spill. I'm an experienced bartender. Just a whole pot of coffee and some pork, actually, some good pork. I don't know if you guys got a good view of the pork, but looks good in my little golden bowl sitting there, right? So, go. We are loaded in, locked in, strapped in for the session. I'm going to pull up our software. I'm actually going to pause the recording again until we get into it, right, guys? So, you grab your own bowl of popcorn, huh? Alright, guys, well, welcome back. Or, let's get started here, right? I've just been setting up things for about 40 minutes or so. Trying not to eat my popcorn, right? Just actually setting up the stream here, and the presentation and whatever. So, a lot of our tech is in a transitional phase right now, so not everything was completely set up for this recording. Let me see here. I'm just, what am I actually doing here, right? I'm purchasing Cursor, which is, the ID that I use, and I'm just, trying to make sure I have access to my AI and everything I need to be able to dev this system, yo. Why not? I figured I'd show you guys me buying it again. It's a monthly subscription, so and I don't know. I've owned Cursor for maybe 6 months already, and it expired a couple months ago. Yeah, might have to pause this recording since it's asking for payment info. One moment. Alright, well, there we go. We are breaking into the sys, yo, right? I've just been this camera angle's not bad, actually. Kind of gets everything. Not really my left hand, I guess. Let me see. Definitely will be looking forward to this. My homie picking up the system or whatever has been waiting for me to fix this. So, we just bought Cursor, so we're good to go. We have our workspace set up. Let's take a look There. Oh, what is that? Huh? What's happening? Oh, my goodness. Okay. And yeah, I thought we were looking at the web browser, but there we go. Yeah, here's our workspace. We just imported it. So nice. We only have 3 different trees, right? Just CSS, JavaScript, PHP. And so the website's not loading, okay? I don't understand. Let's say Apex Holdings .online. Okay. I don't know if I changed the database password or something. Let's see if let's see what's another. Looks like we do have a contact, right? So let's try this. Does contact.php load? Weird. Not even contact is loading. Okay, that is really weird. So the whole domain isn't loading, or is it just? It could just be index and contact. Let's see. I wonder, did I even type that in right? Let's see, contact.php, yeah. Huh. Alright, well hopefully it's triggering an error, right? Let's see. It just has to be in the error log. I bet you anything this is an easy fix. I've been procrastinating this for so long. Let's see. It's this one. Yeah. File manager, yeah. It's been a while since I've done any development. Well, it would be in the error log, right? That's what I'm looking for. I hope it's just like a database password issue or something. Table QWERTY MyFactory DB page views. Huh? Okay, so it's a table error. That's good, I think, right? It's trying to query something that doesn't exist. That should be an easy fix. Did I do some database modification? What happened? I need to know what happened. It's saying a table doesn't exist? Okay, it makes me feel like my database got hacked. Let's. Why would I just remove a table? Let's see. It's this one, right? And then page views or something. What is this? MyFactory DB page views dot page views aho. That should be this, right? Page views aho, right there. What on earth? Why is it trying to? It should be trying to go to this database. Why is it going to another database? Hang on. Here's the table right here. On Earth, yo, on Earth, what's happening? Why would I code it trying to use my page views table, you know what I mean? That's so weird. So, this is what happens when you take a break from a project, you know? What was I thinking even, right? Like, why did I do that? So, I don't know. Is this in the configuration file? I hope it is. No, it's in index and in contact. All right, well, let's just fix the index first, right? I wonder. Let's see, index.php, here it is. On Earth, bro, on Earth, why was I trying to access a different database? He has his own database. Huh? Yeah, the database connection is in the config file. Okay, so I might have a password in there. I'm going to pause the vid real quick, okay? I'm going to see if I can edit the config file. Okay, you guys, I just actually looked at my config file and cursor and it's fine. And then so I just looked at the config file that's in Bluehost, okay, under file manager, and it was the config file from my EVPC website. And so I accidentally uploaded my config file at some point and overrode the config file with my own. I don't understand. So I don't know why I did that. That's a complete mistake. I would never do that intentionally, right? So the website just should work now. I just updated the config file. I haven't even tested it. Let's try. So yeah, it was referencing the wrong database. I don't understand what I was doing. I'm a little worried that maybe I overrode some other similarly named file types if I did an upload of my EVPC system to his account. Did not mean to do that, but let's see what happens. Should just work. Okay, amazing. It works now. Okay, incredible. I bet you every page works now. Good. We're back online. Hooray. Like, you know? That took me all of 5 minutes to fix, and I've been prolonging that for like days, right? So, I'm going to just actually send him a text real quick. I'm not going to drop the recording. I'm going to let him know the system's back online. Just had to hack the sys real quick. I do not understand why I did that. I'm a little perturbed that my past self, uploaded the wrong config file. Maybe I tried to nuke his system or something. Maybe I was up late one night. Yeah, I might have done that, dude. That's something I would do. Just literally just upload the wrong config file just to corrupt his system so it doesn't work. Maybe I did that. I have no idea. Hilarious. Who knows? Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's just text the client real quick. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Sys is back online, bro. Is back online, bro. Just want you to know. To know. I'm in it hacking. I'm in it hacking and shit. I'm sorry, I don't mean to curse on YouTube, guys. I try to make it so that you guys can watch my, of course, my content. I want your kids to be able to watch it. That's important to me. I have buddies from my clan that, that they used to watch it with their kids and stuff. So, my YouTube channel is not marked as for kids. Whenever I do my uploads, I said doo-doo. Whenever I do my uploads, I never mark it as for children, okay? So, keep that in mind. But, we do try, and we do discuss adult themes, which are horrible. But we still don't curse. So, maybe if your kids are a little older, or mature in a way, I don't know, and you want to expose them to defilement, but at least we don't curse, right? We talk about horrible things, but we don't curse. So, whatever. I'm just, let's see, Apex Holdings, dot online, here we go, is online. It's some config file was corrupted. I don't know, bro. I just fixed it. I fixed it. So easy. So easy. There we go. All right. Okay. So, I wonder, let's pull up our, just making sure we're recording. Let's pull up our Notion, right? That's how we do everything. Here it is. If you are an organized person or a professional like me, right, or trying to be, then, Notion is such a good solution to, project management, making a backlog, keeping on track of a backlog, all that good stuff. They do have an app, which, you can use it mobile, and it's great. It's free, it's free, so. Alright, so validation for admin pane. I wonder, this is, gosh, the last time I was in this was, over a month ago, okay? So I just wonder what's actually the case right now. So what I'm trying to do now, I'm even going to write it down so I don't lose focus. Yeah, use Notion, but, this Scrivener pen here, super nice. I do love it. It makes writing things down a, what's it called? A pleasure, right? So what we're trying to do now is we're trying to map out, basically an analysis, okay, to put it simply. We want to break into the system and actually just do some testing to define what's corrupt, what's broken, what doesn't work the way it should, right? Let's see. So I'm just gonna put here. We're gonna just break in, and we're gonna map out each problem. Okay. So I want to know exactly what's standing in between me and handing over this system to the client. You know, I've already done a bunch of work on this. I've even put in a whole bunch of features. You know, you guys have seen it. It's all on YouTube. So you know, I'm not in the business of adding any more features right now, right? And I have left off the work I have done on this project. Okay, obviously I left detailed notes before I just kind of started celebrating Hanukkah and only uploading to YouTube, right? So and getting carried away with making YouTube shorts, like a million of them. I don't even know. I love YouTube shorts. They're so fun. I will never stop making them. So instead of going based off of the notes that I have here, which are very detailed, and I tried to wrap up and I tried to encapsulate everything that was the problems, I'm going to do a new analysis and just try and find out on my own what's wrong and go from there. Try and keep it simple. So the landing page looks okay. The ticker loads the way I want it to, right? Please load. What does it sit for 6 seconds or whatever I did? That's fine. Does it load after a while? It's supposed to. Does it no longer have API access? Is there some dropout in the API? This is the first thing I'm noticing, is that it's not loading the data from the DAO. Hello? What's happening? I have it coded so that it's supposed to load it. I bet you anything my free API access says ended or something. So let's solve that real quick. I'm just looking through my code real quick. I don't even remember. What is this? Oh, here, FinHub. Okay. So I think it's obvious that my FinHub account needs some attention here. Okay. And I bet you that's not even in the notes here, right? So, good thing we're doing a fresh analysis. FinHub, I wonder. What's my saved login for FinHub do I have? There we go, finhub.io dashboard. Let's see. Do I have a saved account? What do I use here? Come on, guys. I don't know. Does it have a password? Yeah, hack my account, guys. Go to my FinHub. I don't know. Do I have a thing here? Come on. I don't have a saved account. Did I nuke my account with FinHub? Oh my goodness, I did nuke it. Dang it, because I cleared out all my passwords recently. Yeah, let's reset it. Alright, I'm going to pause the recording so we can recover our FinHub. Alright guys, so I just hacked my FinHub account, okay? Made a new one, whatever. Dropped in a new key. Now it should work. So let's. I haven't tested it yet. Try to bring you guys along for the good stuff, right? Oh, and I haven't updated the system. Okay, let's roll out our first system update. Okay, changed the code a little bit. I updated the API key. Okay, so let's whatever this is. Desktop. How do you do this? What do you think, huh, guys? CRM system. Huh? Apex Store, PHP files, and then I just updated. This would have been index that has the API key for the ticker, okay? So let's just now see if it loads it. It should just automatically work. I don't know how long it times for, but whatever. Is it even sending the request? I don't know, guys. I need this to work, okay? This is part of his stuff. Let's see what FinHub says, huh? Dashboard maybe. Um. Hmm. You know, with AI now, using AIs is or using APIs is really straightforward. It seems. Okay, let's check the error log and see if it's triggering anything. Hopefully, it is, right? Actually, let's F5 first. What's happening? Index on 417 markup. What's that? I wonder what this is from. Huh. Four 418. Well, it is kind of temperamental sometimes. I wonder if it's maybe I should. Oh yeah, maybe I should clear the cache. Nah, because it's gonna. It reiterates the PHP when you refresh. I don't need to clear the cache and cookies. I don't think. I'm expecting it to work. Let's see. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. You know, when it doesn't, the nice thing about the way it's set up is when the API crashes, it actually just remains nice looking. Okay, all it does is say NASDAQ. It's fine. It's actually pretty nice. Oops. Yeah. Alright, guys. I don't know if you've ever had it, but this is called Dat Good Good, and it is so good on popcorn, yo. Amazon, like $7, best stuff ever. Check it out. You just get it all over the top of the popcorn, and then you only get to eat that layer of popcorn because that good doesn't go to the second layer, right? Yeah, that good. I don't know, man. I want to figure it out. I'm a little, maybe there's another iteration of the API key call here. Yeah. Now, do I have this set up so that... Oh, I see. The ticker's only on the first page. Smart. It's all about the API requests, right? You don't want a million of them. You want to limit it. And if it only appears on one of the pages, it will actually probably work for everybody with the free account. Now, I just wonder if it takes my API a little bit of time to just kind of start working. I really don't think anything's wrong in the code. Oops. Says the status is good. Probably should just instantly work, right? I wonder. I wonder if FinHub did an update. Maybe that's what it is. I wonder if they have me limited. Is there a way to know? How can I look at how much data I've used? Shouldn't it be under the, you know, this is just to get the live data of the tickers, right? Just the price of, what is it, you know, a bunch of famous ones, Netflix, you know, AMD, a couple other ones. PayPal, is that on there? Yeah. Master, you know, some of our favorite tickers or whatever. Huh. Where can I look at my stuff, right? They should tell you. You know, how many requests do you have, you know? Interesting. Huh. Maybe it would show it here? No. Download data. Wonder. Alright. So, we couldn't immediately fix this. That's okay. I'm gonna move on. But, let's pull up our Notion here. What do you guys think, huh? What's add a page inside do? Ooh. Let's see. Today is the 3/17. 3/17. Time is running out, y'all, huh? Well, gotta get a lot done before the end of this month. Well, we need to fix the, what do you call this, huh? Breakpoint in the endpoint, in the API point. Come on, y'all. We need to fix that. That's number one, right? It's only on index.html. It's just a quick fix. Index.html. Okay, that's fine. Didn't expect that. That's okay though. You know, you leave a system for a little while. You know, there's stuff you have to fix, I suppose. Now here's the purchase, right? And also, it's showing in the error log that it's trying to access markup, right? Okay, so let's just look. Markup on 418. I wonder how critical this error is, right? I wonder what's happening. Why is it throwing one? Let's see. Oh, here it is right here. It gets defined by the, it's fetching a markup result. Here it is, markup result. I don't know. MySQLi query. So it looks like a query may be going off. I wonder why it wouldn't say that, right? What are these timestamps from? 2121? That's in the past. 21, 26, 39. I can generate a 48 here, I bet. Let's see. Just go to index, hit F5, and then go back to the error log, hit F5. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. Do we have a new timestamp for a markup variable? Yeah, here's one right here. Appears to be 4 of them, okay? So it first occurs on 417. Do I even have a 417 in here? What do you think, huh? There's 10 occurrences of markup. Whoops. That's a lot of occurrences. Let's try and just match the whole word, right? Let's see. Markup. We're looking for 417. Okay, here we go. What is this? Markup of, what? This is the first line of PHP code I have. And it's not running correctly, huh? On index, is that the case? What's it saying here? Add PHP calculation for the amounts. Well, what's happening in the code here? It's trying to access like some sort of a variable. Well, we can ask Cursor, right? I'm really bad at coding right now. My brain is not, my brain does not know anything, right? Been kind of out of the loop for a couple months. It's okay. I don't know. Subtotal equals a PHP variable call. I don't even know. And then trying to access the price value of it. I don't know. Was that an array or something? I have no idea. An object? I'm totally clueless. Let's see. 1,000 lines of code. Let's see. Let's ask it about the error. Let's see. View. Let's do our first interaction with AI, right? I am just trying to do an initial analysis, right? Maybe I should just proceed and stay on track. Yeah. So let's go back to Notion. Line 417, easy to fix probably. 418. I think it might just because it's before the other code where it defines the markup variable. I don't know. I have no idea. Need fix. Let's see. And index.html. Again. Index.html. Easy. Index. What else? Does it work when you try and buy stuff? Oh, you have to log in to buy it? Okay. Well, first let's test this. Don't have an account. Okay. Takes you to register. Alright. Does the registration work? Let's test it, guys. Holy crap. Yeah. Ensis Vertus PC at gmail.com. Oh, what did I just do? Username. How about test person? Does this work? Does this work? Email address, whatever. Bum ba dum bum bum. Same password I use for everything. Promise. I'm just kidding, guys. By checking this box, I agree. Yeah, to the privacy policy. Okay, let's see if the privacy policy works, huh? What's that? Oh, nice. What is that? Last updated date? What? Maybe I should fix that, huh? That's so easy to fix. Let me just go here. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me. I'm really bad about switching cameras sometimes. I'm just registering on the website and I'm just testing it out, making sure it works. Using an email address I know I've never used before. And here's the privacy policy. Oh my goodness, there's all this information to fill out. My goodness, what is this? Please don't say my company's name. Okay. Email us at info@apexholdings.com. Perfect. So we need to update the privacy policy, obviously. And we need to put relevant information. Privacy policy. Right. What is that? That's on register.php. Yeah. Index.html. What is that even? It's funny. Alright. I'm done looking at FinHub. Alright, and what else for our initial analysis, huh? Let's just hope registration works, right? And what about the TOS? Okay, TOS needs to be updated, right? Yeah, applicable jurisdiction, whatever. I need to actually read it and fill in the blanks. Register.php TOS update. Fill in the blanks. Yeah, we're making a legit biz, bro. Alright, proceed here. Alright, first let's test this link, right? Basic navigation, takes it to login. Good. Register. Registration successful. You can now log in. Really? Alright, let's try that. Ensis Virtus PC. Does it work? Yeah, it does. Cool. Yeah, let's save our login, I guess. Alright, I don't have access to the admin panel. Great. Alright, let's try and hack the admin panel. Can we do it? It's called pain.php. Wait, hang on. Let's see if it'll let us into the admin. From a basic user account. You should not be able to do that. Okay, good. Nice. So, whoops. What happened here? Did it try and redirect you to index? Oh, nice. Corrupted it? Interesting. Interesting. I like that. Alright, so then when you go back here, does it retain your login? I wonder, no. You have to log back in. That's probably a good thing. Alright, so that all works. It appears to. Now, what if you forgot your password, right? Hang on, let's test it. Forgot password. Enter email or username, huh? Gosh, I don't even know, man. What is it? Just put the email, right? Okay, send reset link. Yeah, I'm sure it works with the username too. Oh, look, send email reset. Nice. Do I have it? Did the system lie to me or not? Actually, I don't think I own the email address for the account anymore. I think it expired. May need to renew. Let's check our email here. Thank you for registering with FinHub. Oh, I had to verify my FinHub stuff? Oh, yo, maybe this will fix it. I don't know, man. Alright, let's see if I have the email from my system. Invalid URL. Come on, FinHub. They needed to fix their stuff. Alright, Ensis Virtus PC. Yeah, I did not get an email. Okay, so that sucks. Alright, so let's go to the email stuff. Info at Apex Holding, right here. Do we have it? Let's see, 11/19. Oh, we have it? We have it till November. So we do have access to his email. I still own it. Nice. Yeah, a million emails. Can't do anything with that. Let's see here. Alright. And he wants me to upload his videos for him, you know? So go ahead and do that. Well, okay, so the problem with receiving the emails is not from... Let's check the error log. Is there an error with the emails being sent out? Please let there be an error, you know. It's better when there's an error. You can at least debug an error. If it's not one showing, then what are you going to do, right? You're just going to have to analyze the code. It says email successfully sent. Now, that's nice. And says Virtus PC, but I don't see it. And it should only say that if it sent it off. Weird. Weird. What does that even mean? Well, the email recovery needs to be debugged now. Look at all this stuff I have to do. Let's see, email. Let's see, this is from register.php. I know it, right? Or what is it? Forgot.php? I don't know, man. What's it called? Yeah, forgot.php. Let's try another account, right? Let's try any account. I don't know. Could use usernames. See if that works. I bet you that error log is just showing successful email over and over again, right? Alright. And we have till the November for email renewal. Just mark that down. I do not have to worry about that. Yeah. Register.php. This is actually on forgot.php. Email. Oh, yo, I got the email now. Okay, what's happening? Now it sent the email. Okay, maybe I don't have to debug this. Hello. You've requested to reset your password. Click the link below to proceed. I wonder if I can show you guys. Does this even work? I don't know. Yeah, I can show you. I could just cast it to my computer. What am I talking about? I'm fit. I'm Hawk My Fat Greed. Don't I do that? Come on. No. Alright. So, I'm just going to verify. Okay, password requirement. Okay, here's a new one. And back off. Let me get a new password in here. Do that. Okay. Let's see how that works out. Reset password. Yes, please update. Huh? Yeah, update it. Whatever. So that appeared to work. I mean, I just, and it went to index.php after, which is good behavior, you know. After I updated the password on that website, whatever it was, it brought me back to index. So here we go. Let's go to apexholdings.online. I'm going to try and log in with my new password. See if it works. Let's see. Of course, different than the other one. And it did not work. Interesting, huh? That's not good. Will it work with the old one? No, it didn't work with the old one. Okay. Interesting. Huh? Nah, it's not working there. Let's see. Did I just make a mistake when I typed it the first time? Oh, I did. Okay, amazing. Okay, so the password reset works. Alright. Yeah. That's funny. So, alright. Everything looks beautiful. Past 365 days, still has it. Total all time. Amazing. No profits today. I know all the timestamps work on that stuff. It's great. Alright. Report profits. I'm sure this works. This is kind of... I don't even need to test this or debug it anymore. I already did that. I know it. I'm not even going to mess with it. Let's report something. Wait. Yeah, I sold one share of, something I bought Tesla stock at 320. I don't even care. I know it's going to work. Yeah. $30. Hooray. Cool. To unlock access to our profit reporting system, you must purchase your lifetime subscription first. Nice. I forgot I did that. That's awesome. Okay. Alright, man. Yeah, I hacked the crap out of this thing, yo. Bump. And I need to make this color the other black, yo. Of the nav bar. Like, what color black is this? I don't know. It's kind of cool having it gray offset. It's okay. But we're going to make it an oval. That's right. We're going to make the nav bar. Okay, so the forgot email stuff works great. Hooray. The nav bar needs to be a freaking oval, man. Oval, dude. That like will make the user interface like so much better. It just needs to be a little oval in the middle. It can't take up the whole width of the screen. Yeah, I'm okay with all that. That's all good. Let's see. Media Hub. Let's see what it says. On Earth, bro. On Earth. So you can you watch this stuff? Oh, nice, dude. Oh, man. To unlock access to our content, please purchase your lifetime subscription, yo. Get off my content. Freaking nice, dude. Freaking nice. Okay. Yeah, obviously I just have all my stuff uploaded right now, huh? Interesting. Oh, and the leaderboards table. The leaderboards page needs to be updated, yo. Look at this. I don't understand any of these, right? Single profits this year, total profits this month, total profits this year. I don't know. I guess I understand them. It's just too much, There should only be like, I don't know, 2 leaderboards or something, right? I'll get with him and maybe we'll pick out just 2. I don't know. I can decide for him, Or maybe I'll just make a button here at the bottom that says expand and it'll... Oh, yeah. I'll just do that. I'll do that, yeah. I'll make a button that when you click expand, it shows all the rest of the crazy leaderboards. There we go. On leaderboards. Try not to get that good all over my keyboard, right? Expand. More boards. That will be a quick fix, yo. And it can just, toggle it. Every time you click it, it just makes them appear or disappear. And then maybe we'll actually change that. Ouch, for the mobile. If they're on a mobile device, maybe we'll actually write that a little differently. I'm not sure. Phones are so big nowadays, they're kind of like computers. Almost, man. Almost. Alright. Make button on leaders to expand more boards. Okay, and I really like how it works, man. Now, does it work when you try and buy stuff? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it doesn't give you an option to buy it. All it does is to tell you to go buy it. Okay, but this page lets you go buy it. Interesting how I coded that, right? This one gives you a purchase link. Okay, let's go. Now, when you're in your profile and you click on a video, it offers you to purchase, asks you to log in again. I actually kind of like that. It's like another verification step. Even though you were already logged in. It's cool. I like that. That is a feature, you know what I mean? Alright, let's see. Okay, so just log in again. Please work, okay. Now what? Nice, it's using the tags like it should. Everything seems to be working okay. I forget how you, I don't know. I forget how you use fake Stripe credit cards for testing. Let's see. Nice. I think it's just repeat digits or something. How do you... What are the fake credit cards for Stripe testing? Stripe payment testing? What is it? Oh, yeah, these ones. A successful payment? Okay. Well, let's do a successful payment first. You know, I'm sure his friends are mostly going to be doing that. Let's see. And then the expiration date is just sometime in the future. Let's see, 2026. Oops. Oops. Oh, let's see, 26. How's that? And then what do you do for the... And then you can just put anything in as the CVC or whatever. I don't know, 312 78070. Save your email for secure something. It says we're just... Alright, just double check it's not my credit card, right? And then go. Let's see. Oh, no. I mean, yeah, we can save this one. It's okay. Okay, so it just worked, right? That's awesome. Did it send out an email? Okay, it's... Oh, my goodness, is that it? Let's see. Oh, my goodness, here we go. We do have the email here, right? Alright, I'm going to hack my sys real quick so I can share my phone with you guys. You know, we're just going through the initial analysis, right? And, you know, I'm going to do a couple more dev sessions on this to fix everything. But I want to hack my sys real quick to get it so I can bring up my phone and cast my device onto the computer. So I'll be right back. I'm going to pause the vid. Alright, there we go. Yeah, I am Hawk My Favorite. There's proof, you know, I do this all the time, right? Come on. Here's a mobile device. I got my phone in the middle, I guess. This is what happens when, what? You purchase it. Okay, good. Awesome. And then here's the invoice. Oh my gosh. The invoice generation worked? Hooray. Man, that is so nice, dude. Yeah. Look at some of the ASCII code. Can you see that? It's tripping out. I actually kind of like it, though. I'm going to leave it. I'm not going to fix that. Yeah, you get the Alpha, Ecta, Charlie regular market updates, right? So this is pretty sick, right? Invoice generation now. Man, there's supposed to be something for him to be able to handle his invoices too, right? I'm supposed to give him like a little... thing. Man, this system's getting so huge, you know what I mean? Like, I have so many features for him. Whatever. It's just to get him off the ground, though, you know what I mean? Yeah. What else? So that's great. Okay. Awesome. Yeah, let's nuke my phone. Yeah, I don't even want it. Yeah, go away. Stop casting. Yeah. Get off my screen. Yeah, disconnect. Okay, beautiful. And then you can... Hooray. Okay, so... You can download your inputs. Does this work? Let's see. Wow, it's a pretty big file. 2,600 kilobytes. Interesting. So purchases work. Incredible. I didn't... Okay, and then he gets a receipt when somebody purchases. Good. Does it give him the invoice, though? No, it doesn't. Okay, I need to at least send him a copy of the invoice, right? Huh. That needs to be upgraded. He didn't get a copy of the invoice. That needs to happen. He has to be able to have copies of his invoices, right? Yeah. Yeah, you know what I could do? I could fix that in 2 seconds. I can just send him a copy of the email we send the customer. Easy. Just add him in there. Alright, we need to CC the admin email on a successful purchase. Email to customer for the info Apex Holdings .online. Email. There we go. Woohoo! Alright, so very happy that a lot of it works. So say now you should be able to report profits. Test it 1, 2, and 3 or whatever that was. Report filed. Hooray. It works. Instantly updates because it's using whatever it is. Ajax. There you go. Ajax is lit, yo. Can you watch content now? Hooray, and it works good. This is the best. I love it when systems I build actually work when you come back to them, right? Nice. Look at all this. Perfect. Does it let you record your likes? Oh my goodness, it does. I coded it. It works still? Yes, man. Does it record the likes though? 107. Bust it open again. Okay, now it's at... Oh, yo. It snaps back. Nice. Do you see all that, guys? Look, it just snapped back to 121. It's actually tracking it. Alright, check it out. The first one is at what? 125? Let's refresh the page. Check it out. What happens when you come back? Yo, it's at 125? Dude, that's fine, okay? I mean, I could fix it so that it, the live tracking works when if you plug in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then if you close the vid and you come back, obviously, it says 125 still, but the database caught the update, okay? It's just not updating this with the Ajax. It's fine. No matter what you do, those 5 likes are still there. Look, I just have 5, boom, it's at 130. Dude, that functionality is there, okay? I don't have to fix that. If he wants me to upgrade it using Ajax, I will. Gosh, I don't even care. I do not. You understand what I'm saying? It's just the difference between that. So, awesome. Very exciting. Works the way it should. Oh my goodness. It keeps track of the views, the minutes watched. I bet you it does, dude. I bet you it freaking does. Alright. Beautiful. And then since they purchased, they should have access to ebooks. Okay, ebooks just crashed on me. What on earth, dude? What on earth? Alright. Ebooks just crashed on me. Alright. Ebooks crashing in user dashboard. Need to fix that. Let's take a look here. Okay, so what we want to do, obviously, is to test a failed payment, right? There's lots of ways to test that. But I'm just testing the basic navigation of the site, right now with my analysis. And then I'm just trying to find what's broken. I'm going to compare my notes I left from when I left off, because they were very detailed and I had done a full analysis on the system with a lot of testing, and I knew exactly what needed to happen at that point. But I think I found some other stuff when I came in it just now too. All right. So we need to use. I don't even remember what the admin account is on this thing. I don't even know how to hack into the. Oh, I could just look at it. All right. So let's just try and. My goodness. Let's see. We want to. We could always just revoke our purchase on our current account. Hack the database, right? You just go to users. Oops, I'm locked out. Yeah, I say hack a lot. Everything's hacks to me, dude. Hacks. You, dude, I get hacked all the time. I got hacked on Meta, dude. Somebody broke into my Meta account and charged $5,000 in campaign ads for Easter Bunny eggs that they were selling from some web shop. I was like, yo, what on earth? Going to my credit card. And it had already paid out hundreds of dollars in the campaign. Crazy. Dude, with AI now, everything's hacks, bro. I don't care. So, if you wonder why I call everything hacks, it's because it is to me, dude. Everything's freaking hacks. Alright, how do you do this? All we're trying to do is access the database, man. That's it. That's all we want. Alright, let's see what we can do. What kind of hacks? Alright, users. Yeah. Where's the paid one? Come on. Ensis Virtus PC? Okay, get out of here. Edit. Yeah. Now you haven't paid. Oh, and it has an invoice for them and stuff too? Yo, maybe I should revoke that as well. Can I not? Just want to clear out some of these values. What do you think, guys? Just nothing? Does it let you? I don't know. I don't even want to run the SQL to drop it. It's okay. Invoice number, payment date, all that stuff. There we go. My goodness. Cannot delete or update a parent row. Foreign key constraint for what? Password reset tokens. Foreign key? Yeah, what? Okay, that's a problem. That's a database architecture problem. That's severe, actually. Cannot have this. What is this? Where's the reset tokens? Here? What? Hang on. Come on. How's this set up? User ID. Well, yeah, I don't normally nuke accounts, right? But I should be able to make this not a foreign key, right? It's trying to cascade it, right? When you change it. Well, in order to fix this, we can just easily, we should just automatically drop this table anyways, right? I mean, when these tokens expire, this is just a table to accommodate, you know, when somebody resets their password, it creates a random string, and then they use the token to do it, and it expires in an hour, right? So, I don't know, man. Or 3 hours, or however long it is. I wonder. I mean, we could just automatically clear this entire table. Nah. Well. I don't know. Foreign key constraint? I don't like it. Really don't want to mess with it, but yeah. Gosh. I kind of want to address this problem, actually. Yeah. Deleting it addresses the problem in a way. Doesn't fix the architecture problem, though. But that architecture problem only comes up when you have nuked an account, right? When you've gone into the database and deleted it for some reason. So, I guess I'll just keep that in mind. All right, so now we want to do a failed registration. Come on. Obviously, we need to make an account again. Let's see. Email address. Username, myfigree333, test me. There we go. And there's the mercy. By checking this box, I agree to this horrible TOS and registration. Why is it triggering the email address? Oh, I didn't drop it. Yo, hang on. Go back, users. Yeah. Now it'll let me drop it. Okay. What? It didn't? Constraint profits reporting. Okay, so now you can't nuke users with profits that have been reported. Interesting. So let's just remember never to nuke any customers from the database ever. Right? Just never. It hurts the data. It hurts the freaking database, dude. You need to have to reiterate with some data that they have, or do something else. Yeah, hack it by entering in or clear a foreign key constraint. Why would you want to do that? I don't want to do that. Let's see. Now can I nuke it? I wonder. Is it ever going to let me do this? Okay, finally. Alright. So the profit reporting and what else? What was it? Not the invoice. Yeah. The profit reporting and the reset tokens. Okay. Weird. That will keep you from nuking somebody from the system. Okay. So here we go. Failed registration. Yeah. Here we go. Ensis Virtus PC. Oops. Let's see. Fit test. Whatever. I just put the word table in there because I felt like it. Alright, now go home, secure access. Yeah. I don't know. How do you fail payment? What does that even mean? I don't know. Simulates a decline payment. Okay, fine. That can be attached to a customer but fails when charged? That's not good. Let's just try this. I don't even know, man. I do need to know. Let's see. Yeah, let's pay another way. Use that. 0126 123 78070. This is Virtus PC. 4 billion. Your card was declined. Oh yeah, that's what's supposed to happen. Okay. Honestly, guys, I'm like really happy with what I found so far, right? Now, let's log in with the admin account and see how the admin panel works. That has been tested and tested and tested. And, oh, and yeah, here's the community contact. Does this work? Did he ever give me the link for his Facebook, yo? I wonder where that is. Whatever. Here's the X platform. Did I link his Insta? I don't know. I don't remember. I thought he gave me the links. Links, X, Insta, and whatever else. What is that? Facebook. Okay, ebooks crashing. That's not good. We'll figure it out. Alright, now we just need to see if we can get in with our with our admin account. Okay, here's the admin account. Configuration pane. Okay, nice. Everything looks like it works. Here's the users list. I need to show if the person is paid or not. On Earth, bro. In the users list, I need to show who's paid. You know what I mean? That's a great upgrade. And that will only take me 2 seconds, so. Admin dashboard. Users list needs to show if paid column. That will take 2 seconds. What's next? Change user role. Man, I'm so certain that this works, right? But let's try and I don't know. Let's try and just test it, right? Administrator. Yeah, let's make them a freaking user. This account cannot be demoted from admin status. Okay. What about myself? Self-demotion attempt detected. Operation canceled. I'm crazy, bro. Alright, let's make somebody administrator that doesn't deserve it. Let's make that guy. Alright, you're an administrator now. Oh, it successfully changed to admin. Okay, what happened? Okay. Nice. Very nice. So I have it hard-coded so that this account cannot be demoted. It's in the PHP somewhere. I know it. Just that specific account, because we're leaving it as his email or whatever, you know. Alright, and then we have, okay, now let's demote somebody, right? Well, let's try making them an admin again, even though they're an admin. Hang on. User's already an admin, okay, perfect. And then let's demote them. Bam. Alright, it worked. Well, you do love to see that, huh? So that section, good. Alright, this has been input validated until the end of time, I know it. It caps off at 10,000 and then he can change it whenever he wants, so we're going to charge $1,099 for the system right now. Okay, hopefully this works. Good. Okay, what happens if you update it? I don't know, man. And then, yeah, it works, okay. Nice. Yeah, I can't imagine. Yeah, and it caps off. You know, if I could keep typing, it doesn't do anything. It doesn't put numbers in, or letters in. It doesn't do anything wrong. Very nice, actually. Very nice. Let's see. Recent profit reports. Okay, yeah, have fun with that, man. Hopefully people report their profits. Oh, gosh. Uploading videos, managing videos. This is the part that makes me sick, dude. Over and over again. Just testing and debugging. I mean, forever and ever and ever. Do I really want to do a full test of this? Yes, I just want to go through it once, man. Now, where's the freaking... Well, what it can do is just do what he wants by uploading the videos that he's made. And then what I can do is just test it using those. So, I'm going to pause this video real quick. We're going to make more popcorn, yo. Enjoy ourselves just a little bit, right? So, alright guys. We'll be right back with some more of this amazing content. Working our way through the sys, yo. Alright guys, welcome back. You know, I've actually just been I had to pause the recording for the email access and stuff, and I just downloaded all of Marquise's training vids, so I'm actually now going to go in the admin pane and see how well I can manage the video content, and I'm sure I'll identify some things that need to be debugged, and that should really wrap up our analysis for this, you know, first day. So let's see. Was there anything I wanted to? Oh yeah, and I was just in the break I was just making a bunch of vlogs. I put them all on YouTube and stuff. I don't know. Celebrating St. Patty's Day, we had a green beer. Okay, my mom found some food coloring that was green, and so all right, I'm really looking forward to getting this over with. I do know that this profit management stuff does seem to work, right? So. Um, Still on the website, I promise. So here's some uploading videos. First, what we want to do is perhaps try and manage the uploads we have. Um, how do you delete a video? Oh yeah, how do you do this? Okay, this says probably. Oh, here we go. Delete video. Okay. Yes, I want to delete it. Oh, look at that, deletion in progress. Beautiful. Okay. Nice. All right. Delete. Cool. I don't know. The user interface that I've created for him is interesting, I think. I like it, personally. I would use it. Disable video. I mean, let's just see if that works. Yeah, well, it says it's disabled. I don't know, man. Um, can we just escape out of this? Nah. Save all changes. You have to press save all changes. Interesting. Well, what was the name of it? Hang on, let me just test this real quick. Let's call this test enable. Okay. Oops. NA bike, I'll remember that. Okay, and it's disabled, okay. So if you go over to Media Hub, test NA bike should not be here, okay. Good. Now let's go back here. Go to video management. Let's enable it, right? Save the changes. It should be here, right? There it is. What's that? It's the featured video. Was it there before? Hang on, let's disable it again. I don't know, save all changes. I wonder what determines the featured video. Okay, it's not. So the enable and disable feature is working for the WebM videos. Nice. Let's delete all this. Man, I left this system off in a good place. I did not leave, and there is, there is an incredible amount of work left to be done to hand it over, And my homie, he really is getting like such a good discount, like I'm not revealing to you what I'm charging him, but I don't know, this kind of service where like you're getting a system built for you that's just like a custom system, which is exactly what you need, for a small business or whatever he's doing. I don't know, man. I was thinking about it. I was thinking like, it's not like my system I'm building for him is super fancy. There's a lot of features, right? So I guess you could say it's kind of fancy. Um, Man, I mean, what would you think? It probably costs like 8 grand or something, right? Like if I was selling this for real. I mean, I am selling it for real, but he's getting a huge discount, right? Massive discount, and I can't run a discount for like that for somebody again. All right, so I've learned my lesson. I need to make sure to charge people a lot of money in the future, because I just can't afford building systems for people like this at this level. I can't afford building massive systems for people. And these are massive, 60,000 lines of code, whatever, man. Let's see, video. There's one more video, okay. Alright. Let's see. Manage. Okay, so let's see. I'm just curious, what does it look like in the Media Hub when there's no videos, right? Okay. So the feature video is the newest video. Okay. Maybe I can make it so you can select the feature video in an upgrade package later on. Alright, so let's upload the videos. Choose MP4 file. Here we go. Desktop. Let's see. Marquise's vids. Let's do demo versus live. Video title: Demo versus live. A short video where Marquise goes over some basics. I don't know, guys. Let's just. I don't know. He can always update his description later, right? Let's see how it uploads. Nice. It uploaded really fast. I love the breakdown that appears when it's uploading. Isn't that so cool? Alright, so now he has his video content online. He has been asking me to upload his vids for so long, bro. You don't even know. We're Marquise some basics. Might need to edit that description. I didn't realize what I was typing there. What was that? Where Marquise goes over some, yeah, there you go. Some basics. Save all changes. I love that, the automatic thumbnail generation is working, right, guys? It just uploaded the vid, and then it automatically generated a thumbnail. If you've been watching this series, you know that we coded all that. It was not, I don't know how easy it was to do. I kind of, I don't even want to think about it right now. But it's working, hooray, Alright, and there's a couple of things that bother me about this, like this, stuff not looking centered. What is going on here? I don't know, but I actually don't care. I really don't. Not at this point, this is just the admin pane. It doesn't need to look perfect. It's okay. So let's upload another vid. Let's see, upload. Choose MP4. Choosing your broker. Okay, here you go. Choosing your broker. This video takes the time to go over some of the considerations you should have when selecting a broker for your trading platform. How's that? Marquise? Upload MP4. Look at this. It gives you the breakdown of the network metrics. Freaking download. Look how fast this updates too, man. It's updating like once every 25 times a second or something. I don't even know. It's updating a lot. Not 25 times a second, maybe. But, it's a fraction of that, Close. Okay. Alright. Are they enabled automatically? Yeah. I just want to know. Yeah. Save all changes. There you go. Alright. Interesting how that all works. Let's see. Upload MP4. Here we go. Upload another one. What do you mean? No. Let me choose another one. Yo. Yeah. Identify the trend. Identify the how do you do this? Identify the trend. This video discusses some basics. The basics of trend analysis. I bet it does, you know what I mean? Let's try that. Yeah, this breakdown's so cool. I am actually covering up some of it here. Isn't that nice? Storage analysis, the write speed and all that. Crazy, right? Alright, so let's choose another MP4. So we've done this. Knowing your trading style. Alright? Knowing your trading style. Alright? This video is a brief synopsis on your own personal take on trading. Yeah, I like that. It's a good vid, Marquise. Yeah. So it shows your read, write speed, process details, buffer. Yeah, uploaded successfully. Hooray. Haven't had any crashes or anything. Nice, man. Supply and demand. Supply and demand. Critical features of any market, right? I would say so. Let's see, upload MP4. honestly, so, just after reviewing the system, there's some really important stuff that needs to be fixed, but it's not that much, and it's a lot less than I thought it was. I thought I was going to have a lot more problems with the invoices and some other things. So, I'm pleased. I'm really happy. Yeah, it even gives you your GPU temperature. That's awesome, man. Alright, come on. Encapsulate it. Yeah, I bet you anything it was making the thumbnail at the end. Okay. Perfect. So knowing your own trading style, what's happening? Supply and demand, that's what we did. Support and resistance training, huh? Support and resistance training. Marquise teaches elements of support and resistance in the markets. I bet he does. Check it out. Yeah. I love this thing, man. This thing is so cool. I'm glad I took the time to code that. This looks like a long upload. I'm going to pause the vid. I'll be right back. I might grab some tobacco, do my thing, right? Alright, freaking A, man. Just took a smoke break there for like 10 minutes at least. Support and resistance training, okay. Alright. The greed effect. Let's get that up. I'm so excited. After I finish this, I'm going to text my client and just tell him that all his videos are up, like he's been asking for months, right? Short video on some of the some of the most common mistake to make. Yeah? Almost like we don't know how to use English, right? Let's see. Upload. What glory, Awesome when your code works, bro. What is it? Yeah, uploaded successfully, and I bet you it has the thumbnail. That's so cool, man. Let's see. Choose Trading View 101. Okay, Trading View 101. Short class on the basics. Let's get a window into trade, y'all. Upload. Ugh. Yep. And what he has like capacity management and stuff too. I've given him 4 gigabytes. Look, and it's updating too, man. This is awesome. Look, it's at 0.17 since I started uploading his vids. For some reason, it has the number of thumbnails wrong. Whoop, there we go, 10 thumbnails. It looks like maybe when I'm deleting vids, some thumbnails aren't getting removed. I'm not sure. Or it's because it's the way it's calculating thumbnails. Might be using a dir, like a directory that is counting files it's not supposed to be. Actually, let's just let's verify. I want to know what's happening with the thumbnails. I can, of course, just, actually just manually manage them for now. Since he's only going to be uploading, he probably won't be, he probably won't run into super huge issues. It just might be off after a while. I don't know. It just might have to do with the deletion process. But let's see what's going on. And clean it up so that it's matching right now. I don't know about even rolling out an update for that. I don't know how much it matters, Just to have a stray thumbnail here and there, like, who cares? And it's not going to use the wrong one either, you know what I mean? It's not. Let's see, uploads maybe, thumbnails. Yeah. Just look how old they are, right? This one's from December. Just delete that, right? Yeah, delete. This one's from December also. Delete. Yeah. So that might have been just from previously doing whatever, previously, I don't know. It might have been from previous testing and debugging. Let's see, trading view 102. A second class. A second class. Let's get a window into the trading. Into trading. He can always update this at a later time and not know what he wants to do for it. So he has just a gazillion MP4 vids, obviously. And I can actually change his capacity just by logging into my web system, evpc.com, and going in the back end and then just changing it, and it updates it here. So, in fact, I told him that he could have 9 gigs, so let's actually, let's evpc.com, hello, log in, let's go back here, PHP manager. Let's see. Where did I put this? I don't know, man. I don't even know. Is it under IT dash? Yeah. So I told him he could have 9 gigs, right? And my system's not going to take up more than a gig, and I have 10 on Bluehost, so I mean he can have all 10. Oh, my request did an update. Oh, that sucks. I'm going to have to fix that. Interesting. I bet you it's a database password issue. Oh, and my API is down from my Mercury Bank. Okay. Alright, we'll look into that later. We'll have to, yeah. Let me actually add that to my thing. I need to fix evpc.com capacity management. Oh, let me move my camera. We're done looking at the glorious upload bar or whatever it is. evpc.com capacity management. We need to fix that. It's under IT dash. IT dash. Let's see. Just to get him out the door, right? And he already has access to 4 gigs, and he hasn't even used hardly all of it, you know? So, he's okay. No hurry on that. Actually, he doesn't even need it to get out the door, then. He has access to 4. He's fine. Let's see. Let's do the last one. Okay, trend lines. Oops. Trend lines. Our second look into trend lines. For the user. Viewer. Yeah. Let's just call them the viewer. Right, with a period at the end, as always. Upload. Glorious. I say glorious, huh? I don't know. Bum, bum, bum. Yeah, a lot of things in transition right now. Hawk my fakery, you know. Our base computer, you know, I'm trying to build it, and I've been building it for months, you know. I haven't finished it, and we're also getting a new laptop, so, you know, all this work that I'm doing, you know, this laptop's getting returned because it has a firmware issue, and it appears to have a hardware issue and tons of software issues, and can't deal with it as the investment laptop for this YouTube channel, okay? Just got it from Amazon. It's a Razer 18 blade, Stealth Blade 18 from like 2022. Looks nice, but can't use it. Sorry. Gonna have to return that. And I think for the YouTube channel, I've decided I'm probably gonna get a 13-inch. I don't know. I understand I do play League of Legends. It would be maybe good to have a 15-incher, but I like the idea of having a. I'm really happy with the 13-inch I have. I think I might just keep it that way. This one I have here is an 18-inch that I'm on right now that I'm recording on. Alright, so here's all the videos. Here they are, man. Info? Yo, what's it say under info, huh? Oh, and you hover and it appears? Nice, dude. Look at that. Check it out. And look at the thumbnail for trend lines. It looks terrible, right? Let's go back here. Where's trend lines at? Let's see, manage MP4. Let's see if this works. Trying to regenerate the thumbnail. Generate new thumbnail. Let's see if this works, dude. Whoa, it worked. Yo, nice. That's sick, yo. Okay, and so it should use the new thumbnail, right? Come on. Manage MP4s. Trend lines, manage. Okay, here's the new thumbnail. Now, I wonder, why isn't it not showing the new thumbnail on the Media Hub? Huh? It should be pulling the new thumbnail. Well, that's not good. I don't like that. That sucks. I mean, at least it's updating the thumbnail here. Interesting. So that means, how is that possible? Because in the database, the thumbnail should be right here, right? Oh, we're locked out. Let's see. Yeah, it's written in it. Look. Videos MP4. Thumbnail right here. And then, check it out. We just need to drag this over. I hate resizing these tables, man. It doesn't work. I don't know how to use a PHP My Admin, I guess. Can I please just make this wider? Oh, there we go. So for example, we're looking at trend lines, right? This is what I'm saying. Look, I don't know. I don't want to fix it right now. This is so easy to fix. Okay, I mean, all it does is take the location of the thumbnail here, and I guarantee you, it's updating. Right now, it's going 60 Theta Charlie 5 18354 943. Right. Let's just here Notepad. How do we even do this? There we go. Check it out. I mean, if we go here, and I know it's changing, right? I just know it. Hang on, log in. This is the admin. Go down here, and if you go to manage MP4s and trend lines, everything is working on the admin panel. Let's generate a new one. Maybe we can get a snapshot of him. Just a different graph. That's okay. But look. I mean, look in the database. It's updated. I just know it. Let's see. Trend lines. Oh, I didn't save the new one. Hang on. Yeah. Save it. Okay, and then go back to the database. And this should be different. And it's not. Oh my gosh, it's not changing it? My goodness. That is so weird. Huh. Weird. Huh. It's weird that it's... How is it saving it here? Okay, so I just need to write some code so that when you generate the new thumbnail and then click Save Changes, it updates that row in the database. Okay, hang on. It's pretty straightforward. I wonder how I coded it so it's doing this right now. That's kind of tricky, isn't it? I wonder. Let's generate another one. This is weird behavior. Yeah, look at this. Alright, save changes, and then go back, and it is the new one, right? Interesting. So that might be how we're getting the multiple thumbnail thing anyway. So, check it out. See, trend lines is still this, hang on, let's compare it. I don't know. It's gonna be the same, right? 60 FC5 18. There's no way, right? I don't know. Is it possible the code in the beginning is... Can I try grabbing the whole thing? Let's see. Let's just verify while we're on here. Just want to make absolutely sure. Alright, and then it changes. Okay, there it is. Save all changes. And I just wonder what's going on here. I'm supposing it's the same, right? Let's see. Supposing it's actually not writing the new thumbnail file down. Okay, under the video, right. Okay, so that needs to be fixed, for sure, to hand the system over to him, right? Let's see, so this is the admin pane thumbnail generation appears to be working fantastic, right? Do love that. That was awesome. Alright, admin pane, and that's all using free software and everything. Let's see. Yeah, so when saving new thumbnail, it does need to write in the database the new row, or make it save when generate, or make it rewrite that column for that row when generating, and yeah, I don't know, automatically, I don't know, yeah, just do that. Just make it automatically save it whenever you generate it. If you're generating it, obviously the one you have sucks. Alright, and then, let's see, what else is happening here? I uploaded all his vids, okay. Alright, and the capacity management looks accurate. Here's UI customization. Everything here works, right? Let's use this one. This one's amazing. And let's see, upload PDF book. What else? Upload PDF ebook. How do you even do that? Well, this needs to work, right? And the ebooks tab is crashing whenever you visit it, right? Did we put that in here? Yeah. So that clearly needs to be fixed as well. Alright. I suppose we could do a quick test on... Well, he said not to worry about the ebooks thing for now, I think. I don't know, the last I talked to him, he said to maybe not worry about it so much. I really don't have any test files. Where can I get just a PDF of something? User manual, lawnmower, PDF? I don't know. I just need a PDF. How do I make a PDF? What do you here? Let's make a PDF right now. Print. Yeah, let's make a PDF about searching for PDFs for lawnmowers. I don't know. PDF for lawnmower PDFs. I'm just trying to make a test PDF, right? Okay, and so upload PDF. Okay, here we go. I mean, so you can upload PDFs or EPUBs. Okay, and there's also Mobies too. Which if he wants Mobies, I'll make it so. Test ebook. I don't know, some stuff. And then choose PDF file. Here we go. Desktop. What is this? Where's my PDF for lawnmower or whatever? Yeah. Upload PDF. Oh, that's nice. Huh. I like how that worked. That's really nice. Okay, so that works. Nice. And then let's delete all the other ones. I don't know what they are. Okay, can I view it? Does that work here? Oh, nice. Love it when my systems work, you know. Let's see. Let's get rid of all this. Yeah. We don't need any of this. Yeah, we already got his videos. To find your lawnmowers, lawnmower PDF. What the hell? That's so funny. Yeah, we're okay. So this works. Um, you know, some of the user interface is off, but it's still manageable. I don't care, actually. I really don't. I'm not here to make his user interface amazing perfect. I'm really not. I'm gonna do UI work later anyways. Might address some of that, but you know, these little overlaps in here and stuff, I'm just over it. I don't even care. I don't even want to put in the brakes or anything. I just, or resize the buttons or put in a wrap or a column or whatever is needed, or a grid or something, and just center it and justify it or whatever. I don't even care. It doesn't interact with the functionality, and it just looks a little off. Who you want to sue me or something, dude? I don't care. And this is the admin pane. Like, it's not facing the user, so it doesn't actually affect his biz, yo. I don't care. I really don't. I'm not going to waste time trying to fix this. I'll talk about it for 50 seconds, but I won't do it. So uploading looks fine, and this is pretty linear, right? You can only do one thing. And I think I've already tested this for ridiculous character amounts and stuff like that. Like, this is all limited, you know? You can't just type in here forever. Yeah, see, it limits you after 550, I think. And then this limits you after, like, what, 100? Yeah. So, I mean, it's good. And then you can't, yeah, you can't corrupt it and stuff. And I think I stripped it for HTML to stop people from hacking the database if they get access to the admin pane anyway, so they can't hack his cryptic password. I don't know. He's fine. He's got security and stuff. Alright, so viewing works. Let's edit it. Okay, yeah. Test, let's see, test, update ebook stats. Testing everything. Testing everything. Okay, save changes. Alright, so yeah. Oh, and then how about deleting? We already deleted. And so yeah, guys, I mean, that's my basic analysis so far is that it's good, you know. It has a couple of things I have to do to hand it over. Some pretty basic stuff, like the ebooks tab crashing. I'm sure that's going to take me, what, 10 minutes to fix? This is an hour and 45 minutes I spent just breaking into the sys and hacking it real quick. That's it, right? Doing nothing, really. I did nothing. Just looked at it. We went into the database. We looked at some of the file architecture. We looked at some of the uploads, the names of the, you know, we debugged even some of the just stuff briefly, just so maybe I can save my time when I go back and actually work on it, right? You know, does the logout button work? Yeah, everything appears to work, right? So, I really don't have a whole lot. You know, we talked about freaking fixing this, you know, nav bar so that it's an oval. That will make the whole website look actually normal, right? I mean, this is stupid the way it looks. You know, and then, you know, we have his info and stuff. Like, what is all this? You know, this is all typed out and it looks okay. You know, he can always, yeah, they can switch between some mission statement and what does this go on forever? I mean, yeah, who cares? Like, it's fine. I love it. I think it's great. Who cares? I care. You know, I built it all. I don't know, guys. This is fun. Super fun. What do you think? I have just a handful of stuff to fix. Just look at it. What is that? Yeah, this is for, this is the first thing I want to know. And I just made a new account on there. Got a brand new API key. And look, when you hover over it, did it have stats just now? It's supposed to do that. Where was that? Oh, see, look, it's working there. Oh, I know what I did. I changed the code. I know what I did. I changed the code, dude. I made it so it is working. Hooray, dude. Look. Guys, I just made it so when you hover over the banner, it shows, yo. Or maybe not. Oh, no, that's an addition to it? Oh. I'm stupid. That's awesome. I need to remind him that I put that feature in there. Okay, so something's just going on with the animation, perhaps. Maybe the API is working. I don't know. But, yeah, I do have the... That's so sick that I put that in there. Look, that's working, yo. That's sick. When you hover over the banner, yo, look at that. It just shows you a printout of the freaking market, yo. Awesome. That's awesome. I like that. And I think it's only on the index page that it does that. So they're like, you know, check, look. Look at it. Go to login. It doesn't do it here too, does it? No. I stopped it. Yeah. It's just on the home page. Little things like that, you know. You get a custom system built for you. You get little fun things. At least with me, you know. I can't build a system for somebody without adding in special stuff to make it nice, you know. Um, I'll definitely waste my time, you know. I don't know how long that took me. I don't care. I think it's worth it, you know. And I didn't even know that this system had that. You know, you just hover over the banner and then boom, it shows you the freaking S&P and like everything else. That's sick. And Bitcoin, you know, who cares? And that's an indicator of the market. Shows you exactly what's going on. Yeah, awesome. Very impressed with myself, my past self, right? My present self may not be able to even address some of these issues properly. Let's see. Oops. It's funny. I'm trying to just zoom out, but I forgot that that's my hotkey for the camera selection. So I'm just appearing to every 2 seconds. Yeah. All right. So there was a couple other things. Yeah, I wanted to just look at the basic pages real quick. Perhaps. Yeah. Just look at the contact and stuff. Looks good. You know, this is a mail to link. Yeah, that works. Oops. Seems fine. Yep, all this looks nice and presentable, I'd like to point out. And we have the mission tab built in that he requested. Amazing. Alright, dude. Alright. So, yeah, the registration works. And I have input validated this registration to death. You guys have it on vid, right? So I'm really confident in that. I really actually don't even want to test it at all. I already did my in-depth testing. I had a chart and everything, I thought. So, and then already have an account. I mean, just the basic navigation. You know, this system was down for a while, dude, and I just wonder why. Yeah, this is a great start for tomorrow. I'm really looking forward to the dev session tomorrow, right? So this is not that much stuff, and then some of this, you know, is actually debatable whether we need it to hand it over to him or not. For example, like the capacity management, this does not need to go on my sprint session tomorrow. You know, he has access to 4 gigs. Like, yo, and I'll fix it later on. Of course, that's my website. I'm definitely going to fix my own system later on if it has a problem with it. So, nice. Let's see. Index line 417, 418 triggering error for the markup variable in PHP. I can analyze that with AI and get it fixed. Yeah. Maybe analyze this with AI for sure. Registered PHP, update privacy policy. Do need to fill in the blanks on both of those. Fill in the blanks. It's going to be a little game of fill in the blanks. And then the navbar oval will take me at least 20 minutes to get that right. I could put the time estimates in here too, man. 20 minutes. 20 minutes estimate. And my estimates are always off by at least like 1.5, so that's probably going to take 30 minutes to get the navbar exactly the way I want. I don't know, man. Make button on this and that. CC email. What is this? On a successful purchase? Oh, yeah. They need to be CC'd. That would take 2 seconds. Yo, this should only take freaking like 20 seconds, yo. Just need to find it in the code and change it. And add a email. Make button on leaders. Expand more boards. Yeah. That's going to take some time to get it exactly the way I want. So, I don't know. And I had some other idea for that too, and I didn't write it down. But I'm going to put 20 to 40 minutes on this one. And, you know, ebooks crashing in dashboard. I do not know. Question mark perhaps? Maybe 5 minutes to an hour. I don't know. Who knows? Links X Insta Facebook. Need to get those from him, bro. All right. Admin dashboard users list needs to show if they've paid. You know, I don't know, man. That should take me 10 minutes. But I know I'm always off, so maybe I'll probably reformat the column a little bit too and make the UI a little bit better. I bet you I will. Mess with the CSS a little bit. FixEVPizza.com. That's not even going on the sprint session. Admin pane when saving new panel. It does not need to write in the database. Oh yeah. It does need to write in the database new row when generating. Yeah, and we could just automatically save, automatically update maybe, huh? That would make it easy for Fit. And then I'm just gonna freaking. Oh, gosh, got a runny nose. It's terrible. It's terrible. I just want to grab all this a little bit, you know? It's okay. We'll just exit out. Okay. Now, let's just analyze what we left off with. Validation for admin pane is saying I still need to validate the admin pane further. And I know that's true. So, I've already, and we're not going to do it, of course, right now, but I've already validated this to death, you know? But I found actually a few things that are failing the validation test that are pretty easy to fix. And I don't remember what they are, okay? And that's why I put that note down. I managed to trigger a poor upload at different times, you know, I tripped the system. I put in some upload some way, you know, the system freaked out and it couldn't handle it. Maybe it has to do with some, I don't know. I can't even remember what it was, you know, and it took a long time to find it, right? It took a lot of testing to figure out what, you know, to make the system crash or fail or whatever. And I thought it was pretty critical, so I'm not sure how much time I want to spend doing that, though. You know, I understand. I just went through the admin pane, and I just managed it as if I was if I was him, as if I was a user, a business user, and it passed the test in almost every way. You know, there's only two things that's doing wrong right now: is the thumbnails. It's not really managing them properly if you're doing a lot of stuff. It's not deleting the old copies clearly when you generate a new one and things like that. So that needs to be fixed, maybe. But it at least needs to assign the new thumbnail, right? You know, it's okay if he stores a lot of old thumbnails on there. It's not deleting them. I mean, who cares? This stuff takes, you know, for me to even talk about it, the deleting thumbnails thing, man, I don't know. It's worth analyzing, right? I am not going to prioritize that in this handover. I want to sell the system. I'm going to make it so that when he generates new thumbnails, it keeps a record of his old thumbnails. I'll just go in the back end and clear them out from now on. I'm not even going to write the code to automatically delete them. I don't care. It takes less effort. Let's see. How else can I skimp on scope creep? You know what I mean? I'm just trying to avoid writing more code. I'm done with it. But I do need to make it so that it assigns the right thumbnail. So let's just make sure to put that down in our little session here. This needs to assign the you know, just put automatically 12. Where is it? Automatically assign new thumbnail. Now in admin pane needs to rewrite row. There we go. Value for that column. Okay, and you know, that's good. You know, and like I said, I pretty much kind of just did a really bad job of validating it right now, and it kind of just passes the user test almost, you know? Almost. It's really close. There's a lot more that works that doesn't work, right? So, cool. Cool. And, let me take a look. See here. Dashboard. I mean, oh, why is the ebooks pane not crashing now? Oh my goodness, on Earth, bro. Yo, Holy smokes! Now the ebooks is working. It's because I had a crappy ebook uploaded before. That was a bad corrupted. It had a different assignment or some sort of change in the tag or something. I don't know. I don't know what was going on. I just know it. All right, what's this? Can you like this stuff? Okay, here's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now you can like his PDFs a million times. Good. Does it track it though? What if I go back in? Are the likes still there? They are. Okay, what if I go to a different page? Come back here. Oh, and the ebooks is working. Yo, okay, check it out, bro. Do I even have... okay, and the likes are there. Amazing. Oh, you guys can't see the likes? I'm sorry. They're in the bottom right somewhere. Wait, can you? Yeah, they're there in the bottom right. And it's tracking it, you know. You can just... The way it coded his system is you just press like a million times, and it just adds them all up. Hello? You can just go in there and like his stuff, okay? Dude, awesome. Actually, one last thing. Now that we have the ebooks working, let's see. Yeah, and it's not tracking the ebooks properly, right? That's weird. Look at that. That should probably be fixed before I hand it over to him. Let's just put that in there. Not tracking PDF ebooks properly in admin pane. What's up with that? That's weird. Does appear to track the videos just fine. Sure, if I added them up, this would add up to 10, right? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exactly 10. Good. 10 thumbnails. Good. Everything matches, man. So... It is automatically deleting the thumbnail when it generates a new one. Alleluia. Then, if that's the case, how is the Media Hub pulling the old one? Now, could this be a cookies issue? What if I cleared my cookies and cache? Let's just try. Let's just try, yo. Let's just try. Is it going to use the new thumbnail for trend lines, which is a graph? Look at how long it has taken to clear my cookies and cache, guys. Do I need to restart my PC after this? Like, what? Let's see. Yeah, just refresh. Dude, I wonder if that's the case. It is a cookies and cache issue. Dude, so I have it coded properly. Yo. It does upload the thumbnails, generate the new thumbnails, and assign them properly in the code. Let's go, guys. Let's go. That's one thing we can take off our Notion. Oh no, we have to hack Notion. Hang on, everything's hacked, dude. Everything's hacked. Yeah, let's continue. I don't care. All right. What even happened here, dude? Automatically assign new thumbnail? Yo, how about not? We already did that. We already put in the legwork, yo. Pays off, yeah. Pays off. Getting hacked, dude. Can't control my computer. Okay, can I please navigate this? Yo. Dude, hacks from outer space, bro. I do not like getting hacked, man. Please back off my sys. Ah, goodness. Alright, here we go. Oh, please stop that, dude. You know it's me. Do I have to refresh this connection or something? Alright. So, yeah, this is super small. Alright, and then, let's analyze here. Oops. Let's go back. Yeah, we don't need that anymore. I'm really glad that was a cache and cookies issue. With the thumbnail not updating on the Media Hub, I didn't realize it was actually pulling it. Stuff like that can waste a lot of time if you don't know what you're doing on systems. What if I tried to go in and fix the code? You know? I already did look at the database, you know, and wasted time there. I don't want to analyze that any further. I was just thinking about how is it maintaining the same name of the thumbnail, and I don't even want to look into it. I don't even want to look into it. It's working. That's all I need to know. All right, so okay, and then what we want to do is we want to look at the overall analysis that we left off with a long time ago. Validation for the admin pane, okay. Update the fork section to be more detailed. Why? What are you talking about? Hmm? This is quite detailed. Was there more information? Hmm. Why do I have this on my to-do list? He doesn't need that. I'm taking it off. UI work? Break out the CSS? Outfit for mobile. Yeah, I have to outfit it for mobile device. That's going to be really fun to do on YouTube, y'all. I have the freaking phone right here, and we can just debug it on my phone the whole time and make a bunch of CSS for mobile device. So you can at least, do whatever. That'll be fun. Fix invoice download. That appears to be fine. Now, was there something that happened? Ensis Vertus. Yeah? Oh, what if I want to purchase? Yeah, let me log in. Here's the 4242. $2,000. Test mode. Yeah. I mean, obviously this worked previously, and it worked perfectly. Yeah, that's fine. Works great. I love it. There's nothing wrong with this. Yeah, I love it. Was there something about navigating here that you're supposed to be able to download your invoice at a later time? I don't see that being the case. Okay, the ebooks just crashed. Oh, so it doesn't crash from the admin, but it crashes for the user? Why? Huh? Whoa, the ebooks pane still crashing. Okay, so we didn't remove that from our list, did we? Let's see. No, we still have it here. We're good. So we're gonna fix that. But it is a little more detailed. It actually is the ebooks pane is crashing for the user. Oh, in the user dashboard. Yeah. Okay. Not admin. Okay. Not admin dashboard. Weird. Interested to know what's going on there. I thought it was because of the video file or the video the files that I thought I had done some debugging with uploading improper file types or something. I don't know. All right. Register PHP TOS. Fill in the blanks. How's that work? This is the wrong one. Fix invoice download. Now I don't see a problem, right? After you make your purchase, you get emailed the invoice. And then, so this is fine. This is getting deleted. The ticker needs to be fixed. We already talked about that. User account sign up, invoice issue login not showing paid. I thought I fixed that. I don't understand. Yeah, this is a repeat. I don't have to keep talking about formatting the mobile device. Alright. More to do. More art. Update the mission statement per Marquise. Did he send me a new mission statement? Keep track of all the sites. Yeah, the ticker, all that. Yeah. transfer document. And then we have all this stuff that's been done, you know? So what we'll do is we'll just pull this up. And we're going to just... This might be the last stuff that we have to dev for him before we hand it over. So, let me see. Oops. Goodness, this is going to take 5 days at least. Working on it every day. I mean, I just wonder how fast the UI work will go for mobile device. You know, I say it will take 5 days, but you know, it's possible that if I get going and I do a lot of stuff, we could hack it out in just like 24 hours, dude, or less, you know, and make it look nice and just be done with it. That's totally possible. So, this little whole estimation of 4 or 5 days to get the mobile to look right, I don't know about that actually. Some of the pages are actually okay on mobile device as is. It's just some of the... There's a lot of elements that I'm going to have to worry about, but I don't think it's that bad. I think I might be able to finish the mobile UI in like, I don't know. I know it's going to take a chunk of time, but I don't know. I'm thinking the way that, because I haven't even really looked, but I know it's going to look okay. A lot of it's going to be totally manageable as is. Won't have, and then we'll just make discrete classes with CSS and make sure, you know, we get some special mobile formatting in for sure. So, and I'll find out what kind of phone he has, so I make sure I encapsulate his resolution. And I will, you know, I'm sure I'm going to just use my res, and I'm sure it'll match his, you know. My phone is a little bit bigger of a resolution, though. It's a Razer phone, too, so it does have a big 1440 WQHD friggin' screen that I love, or whatever, man. So, you know... his phone's probably a little skinnier. Maybe doesn't have the same width. Do not know. I do not know. Probably not. Maybe not the same resolution. I don't know. Those iPhones. I think he has an iPhone. Those iPhones probably have amazing resolutions. I have no idea. But you know, I suppose this is everything I have to do to hand it over to him, right? You know, I just need to make sure he can log into his. Yeah, I just need to send him I need to comprise an email for Marquise with a bunch of login information and stuff. Make it look professional. I'll do that at a later time once I finish dev. So, what's today? Today is the Google Calendar. Bum ba bum ba bum ba ba. What is today? Let's see. Today is as we discussed, the 18th, right? I have one pending task. Go to the UPS store, okay. That's for sure. Let's see, what else? I'm gonna schedule a dev session, or just call it a sprint session, and I'll record it for YouTube as well. We're gonna code Marquise system upgrades for sure. Add location, Canyon Lake, Texas, baby. All right, and it's an event. Add time. We're gonna do it for probably tomorrow night. Oh. Let's get started on his sys at probably 6:45 p.m., man. And then, let's see, what did we do tonight till 2 a.m.? So, I bet you tomorrow we will work until maybe, let's go till 1 a.m. Alright, so, anyways, thank you guys for tuning in to our development sessions. They are a lot of fun for me. even little analysis videos like this where we're approaching a system after not having even witnessed it for months, you know, I got him down in the books 6:45 p.m. tomorrow. We'll probably take a gander at his system during the day if I'm curious about maybe coding some stuff, right? You do have to be in the mood. Maybe it's a good idea to schedule your sessions so that you feel like you have it going on, right? It's always a good time to work, right? But maybe not Sundays, but it's always a good time to work and make your life better and do things that are good. So, yeah, this is pretty much good. We can actually nuke this. We can nuke that. But I like that little inside page. Add a page inside. That's cool that you can do that. See, fix the invoice weird characters. I don't even want to do that, right? Actually, I like the weird characters. Make the DAO and stuff only appear after 3.33 seconds. Let's not. And then after clicking video, maybe make ticker square for contrast. I don't like any of this. These are stupid notes. None of these are good ideas. Alright, user account, sign up, invoice, issue, login, not showing paid. Man, I must have fixed that. Huh. I'm gonna just kinda put a gigantic little next to this. I just wonder if there's any scenarios where we have issues with the invoices, right? I just want to know. Okay. Now he says he wants to update the mission statement. Now, I have done a lot of work on the mission statement. What did I do here? Mission. Yeah. So, I mean, if he wants to, I mean, this is a massive amount of information, you know, guys. It talks about a lot of reasonable and good stuff that's readable and fun. But I don't know what he wants to update about it. If he does want something special, he'd have to talk to me. Update 4x2 feedback. I think I updated them both. I'm gonna nuke both of those notes. Upgrades. Keep track of all sites. Expand with button. Yeah, I was gonna write the code to... But that's scope creep. He doesn't need that, dude. He doesn't need... Oh yeah, this is just talking about upgrades he can have down the line. Yeah, okay. Price breakdown. I'm not interested in any of this, really. Yeah, a tax API, a ticker API. Alright, here's a transfer document. Provide all necessary passwords, email passwords, login. Provide all code in PDF. Comprise an email for Marquise with a bunch of information and stuff and makes it look professional. Yes, we need to do that. That will be fun. I wonder what else I need from him, we need to get those socials. For sure. Alright, so, interesting. I wonder how this is gonna, Now, do we have to do more research concerning trust policies and protection strategies from Delaware? Yeah, can look into that. Generate more AI art. Well, he has tons of AI art. If he's gonna change the name, I do want to get him to give me his opinion on the name change or whatever. But yeah, what we're gonna do, that's what we're gonna do. Here we go. Let's just delete this section. Try to make this as simple as possible. Now, Now we need to inquire about final form for the name of his LLC, then propagate changes, and generate tons. Okay, and just sit there for a couple hours. Tons of AI art for the site. So because we think we're moving on from Apex Holdings, we don't want to call it that anymore, I guess. All right. And make purchases and provide Marquise the cost. Okay, look, he bought Apex Holdings, I guess, so we could dev it, and then now he wants to switch, you know. Generate more AI art to bolster, yeah. So I've already actually done that for him. I'm gonna clear that off, you know, or I could mark this as one of those, you know, things I move as at the bottom. You know, that took hours, okay? It takes forever to make art for people, even using AI. You know? Let's see. Then propagate changes. You know, that would include, you know, anywhere the email is mentioned, you know, and all that stuff is really easy to do in Cursor. You just search for where the email occurs in the code and then go there and update it. So easy. It couldn't be anything easier. So we may have to do that. And this would be like number 13 would be to propagate changes required after name change. And then what you do, am I spelling propagate wrong every time here? Oh, yeah. Hello. Propagate. Oh. It doesn't like a spell check. Okay. And then, yeah, here's some upgrade stuff, but let's put that at the bottom. Yeah, let's add that page inside. Upgrades Marquise could want. Right? I don't know. Let's see. And then here's the transfer document, and then you just have the done section. Okay, cool. So it's as basic as this, y'all. You just gotta log in tomorrow, gotta show up for work, gotta go through each one of these bugs, iterate solutions through the system, and wrap it all up, okay? I have to have some communication with him, and then we can collect, oh, yeah. Okay. And collecting social medias. Yeah. Inquire about, final form for the name of his LLC, and then generate the social medias immediately. Yeah, he's got the name for it, then we go for it, you know? And I think I know the name he wants to do. I just need to talk to him for us to pull the trigger. So, yeah, this is so straightforward, dude. Come in, roll out all these updates. Except for this EVPC one. We're going to put that on our to-do list overall. So, because let's not get it twisted. He does not need me to fix that. And I just, you know, I have a few questions, obviously, I need to get to the bottom of. We'll have to do investigations, some testing on like things that I've noticed from the past that I thought still persisted but don't appear to be problems right now, like the invoice. I can't think of anything, you know, besides you know, sending the invoice when there's a transaction to the admin. You know, I can't think of anything else that I want to change. I didn't see a problem with the invoice. It did not. Everything worked. Very confusing. I thought there was going to be a problem. Let's see, research concerning certain things. Yeah, that'll be good. All right. And then the ebooks crashing. Okay, guys. So just work my way through this. Looks like this is, you know, perhaps the last 1 or 2 sprint sessions. You know, depending on what happens with the UI work, you know, we'll see. But of course, to move on to the UI work, as is practice around here, I do that last, right? So we'll put that down here with the navbar being the black button, maybe some admin pane centering issues if I'm feeling like a UI Nazi, right? We noticed some. in there. But overall, guys, what do you think? I mean, the system is like almost ready to sell, right? I mean, it is, it's functional, does what it's supposed to do. It's so simple. It's a lifetime subscription. They get the email, after this, and it has the generated invoice. If you have problems, you can contact, their email. It tells them what they do, what about they are. It's an educational platform. I'm happy to be a part of their project. I think it's cool that they chose me to build their system. And I think they're getting something really fun in return. Something really fun. And it's scalable, too. I think that he could handle... And it has its own profit reporting system. It has all sorts of stuff. I think that, he could handle having hundreds of clients, thousands even. I have no idea. If he was super successful, then this system would easily be able to accommodate that for in almost every way, okay? Maybe the only way that he would need an actual revamp if he had reached a certain level of customers would be what was I thinking there? Because everything would look fine. He'd probably just need way more database access, right? The system can handle hundreds or thousands of users. And it won't overload parts of the admin pane, I don't think. Just the way that it's constructed. I think it would actually work okay. It's interesting. It's interesting, because I've tested it, Anyways, there's some elements that it would, like, for example, toggling the users list. If he had thousands of users, when you toggle the users list, suddenly the page would just have hundreds of emails and logins. So things like that. He has if you're at the users list, and you toggle this, if he has 10,000 users, then yeah, obviously this would it could crash your system, if you have a really slow computer and you're toggling 10,000 strings at once. I don't know, man. But even with hundreds of viewers, you can still use this list. Super useful. You just toggle it on or off. If this list had 150 or 200 users, this would still be totally manageable. If you started getting into 9,000 and stuff like that, it would literally become an archive of all of his stuff on his screen, and you could easily scroll through it, I suppose, but I'd have to maybe, and it's sorted, but I don't know. I don't know. It would get to a point where it'd be there's a better way to have this, I maybe don't want to look through my users like this, a huge, gigantic table every time, that just goes on and on. Yeah, but you could still use it, though. You'd be able to find them and make them an admin or kick them out or email them or whatever you need to do, right? So it would still serve its purpose. That's what I'm talking about, right? It's a scalable system. I've thought about this stuff, so a lot of it you can do, like this here, where I'm changing the users role. I don't have a drop down for all the users. Think about it. If you had 10,000 users, if I made a drop down and it just had a drop down of all of his users for him to select to make them an admin or not, no way. It would crash the system when you do that, So, I obviously have coded it smartly so it can scale. He can just type in their username or their email and then assign it, Right? So there's just a lot of stuff. It's been looked at. It's architectured well. I'm really pleased with it. Holy crap. I really do think that this is some of the last stuff I have to do. It rejects you from being able to use this content if you haven't paid for the sub. This is all just glorious stuff. Super happy with it, okay? And at least one of our tickers is working, I guess, or whatever you want to call it. So, all right, guys, we're wrapping this development or this analysis session up. 2.5 hours. We just poured through the system. Really didn't do any in-depth testing or anything like that. Just kind of vlogging and looking at where we left off from a couple of months ago. This is going to be a lot of fun to wrap this system up and get paid cash money, yo. Let's go. Okay. All right, here we go, guys. Thank you for tuning in once again. I will see you all in our next upload, probably this Tuesday, right? All right, or it's Tuesdays, Thursdays, Saturdays, 7 p.m. I meant to say Thursday. All right, later, guys.